guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. I love filming makeup tutorials, makeup reviews, anything makeup related. So if that interests you, then please hit the subscribe button and the bell for future notifications. So this is a tutorial that I did using the Voss Essentials 2 palette. I got the Essentials 2 palette in my basic BoxyCharm box in August, and this palette is so beautiful. There's neutrals and there's your aqua blue and like a beautiful emerald green, and then you have these two vibrant purples. One's more magenta and one's more violet. Then you have this beautiful copper and this amazing bronze. And there's just so many looks that you can create with a palette like this. Like, there are your pops of colors, like stuff you're not gonna wear every day, but there's this row of neutrals and these shades are so pretty, they're so popular. Like, everybody needs a really good rose gold, everyone needs a really good bronze. And there's this deep chocolate brown and these two cool tone transition shades. So I believe I really like this palette. I also used some magnetic lashes for the very first time. I got these from Amazon. So yeah, we'll just jump right into the tutorial of using this amazing Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette. The first shade I'm gonna go in with is Beige on a Morphe JH30. And I'm just gonna blend this all over the crease. This brush is so fluffy, it's like perfect for just being able to blend out all these shades without spending like so much time blending. And making sure to get this pretty high up, maybe all over that lid space. This is more of like a cool tone brown. It's very natural and pretty. It'd be like a perfect everyday crease shade. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Clay, which is a more warmer brown, and I'm gonna go in with a Morphe JH35. This into the crease as well, keeping it lower than the previous shade. These shades blend so nice, and they're very complementary to each other. Take the shade Chocolate Brown on a Sigma E25. Blend that in the outer V. Just slowly packing it on and then blending it out. So soft and so blendable. I love these shades. Gonna take this up a little higher in the crease and then flip my brush and then drag it across there to create a higher crease. I like my outer V to be really smoked out. And now I'm gonna do the other eye. There is a lot of kickback with this palette. For sure there's a lot of kickback, but it still blends so nice on the eyelid. I like it very smoked. So just like that. Make sure they match. There's this beautiful, beautiful bronze shade. It's so pretty. It's like a perfect everyday bronze shade up here in the corners. So some of this Milani setting spray. Get my brush nice and wet. And then I'm gonna dip right into bronze. Wow, this is so pretty. So buttery smooth, it goes on so beautiful. I love this. This eye is a little bit more wet than the other one, so it's got a more metallic-y finish. So pretty, I love it. So blinding, so beautiful, love it so much. Going to apply the dark chocolate brown shade on the Sigma E25 again and blend it underneath my lash line. I'm going to take some of the magnetic liner that I'm going to use for my lashes, and I'm going to put that on my top lash line. Blend out some of these edges up here with the shade Beige. Just want to make sure that they're like, you know, blending in. I hate harsh, like, you know, I hate harshness. I rather overblend than underblend. I take some of this Artist Couture highlighting powder in the shade Diamond. It's the Diamond Glow powder in the shade Illuminati by Artist Couture. It's beautiful. Going with that highlight wet. Oh my goodness. That was a genius idea. It's blinding. So pretty. A lot of highlight in that eye. You know what? I'd rather overkill the inner corner than underkill it. But that's just me. My Too Faced highlighting, highlighting Turn Up the Light palette in that same brush, and just take the soft focus powder and highlight my brow bone. London nude eyeliner to my bottom waterline. These are the magnetic lashes that I am using. They're magnetic eyeliner eyelashes by Asvia. They were like $13. And it comes with 3 sets of lashes. So these are them. They're pretty. So I'm going to apply this set add real quick to my lashes. So we'll see how. But you know what I forgot to do? Apply mascara. But I'm just gonna go in with a coat of mascara. But next, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this magnetic lash. And that was pretty easy. You know, for the most part, I like glue-on lashes better. I think they look more natural, but see, these ones look really good. This is what happened last time I tried to use these. The one eye like fits perfectly in the other eye. I don't know if it's like a product mess up or something, but they were just not working. I'm just gonna go back in with some more of that magnetic eyeliner because sometimes it comes off if you like put them on and take them off. The eyeliner will just like stick to the magnet. I think it's safe to say that magnetic lashes don't work out because this brand, like the lashes aren't even. These lashes are perfect and beautiful. These ones are not. They're just not. Like they don't stick. I've tried how many things and they're just not working. So I'm not gonna recommend this kit. I'm not gonna make her recommend it. So I would not recommend this kit. But I haven't tried these other lashes. I guess I could try them. Maybe they're made better. I don't know. I don't know. I'm done messing with them. I'm done trying. I want this look to be done. But also at the same time, I don't want to glue on lashes now. So I'm just gonna roll with it. I used them before, like one day going out, and I wasn't a fan, so I was like, I'm gonna give them another chance in this tutorial. So this is my first time using them in a tutorial, and I don't like them. This one doesn't work. Like this right eye, the lashes look great. They look great. This eye, this is what happened the last time I tried to wear them. They're just not. The time before that, the first time I ever used them, the same thing happened. Like this set of lashes just wasn't working. Maybe it's a glitch. I'll try the other two pair that I have. They're more dramatic. But I was so excited to love magnetic lashes because I just hate gluing them on. But yeah, I was disappointed. So